Hey guys, today we are checking out Edifier M4, a pair of compact studio monitors which promises accuracy for creators and fun listening experience for everyone else. Hi guys, so मैंने ये Edifier का studio monitor order किया है. So main purpose for ordering these monitor is that I own a electronic drum. So मुझे अपने electronic drum के output के लिए एक speakers चाहिए थे जो कि सपोर्टेड हो और एफिशिएंट हो उसके आउटपुट को एंड क्लैरिटी को, एंड आई कैन हियर माई ड्रम्स एज क्लीन एज पॉसिबल. सो मैंने रिसर्च किया, मैंने देखा कि कौन से स्पीकर्स या फिर कौन से एम्पलीफायर्स अच्छे हैं उसके लिए. सो आई वॉज इनिशियली planned to order Mackie once. There's a brand called Mackie and I wanted to have that, but वो मेरे यहाँ deliver नहीं हो रहा था. Then I researched more and I found out that कि Edifier के studio monitors भी आते हैं and they are also very great. So let's start unboxing. So आज ही I've received this from Amazon. I ordered this like 2 or 3 days ago. So let's see what's inside. So I'll show you some of the things. So there are a lot of different languages written here. Yes, so specifications. So it has 21 watt plus 21 watt 2 speakers. The frequency response of these are like from 60 hertz to 20 kilohertz, and it supports audio inputs like TRS balanced input, RCA unbalanced input, and aux unbalanced input. So these are the input format of this particular studio monitor, and let's see what's inside. So these are put here for safety, I guess, and so this is one unit, and I guess this is the wires and cables for connecting this studio monitors to your like any device, whatever device you're using, PC or your any like music devices like pianos or drums or anything like that. So this is manual MR4 studio monitor. So we'll keep it aside and see what else inside. Silica gel, I guess. Yes. This is the second monitor, and we'll keep this box aside now, and we'll see the monitors. It's nicely packed in a very safe box, and it also covered with a cloth. Wow, it's beautiful. As you can see, this looks amazing. Like the build quality is very nice. It's extremely good. So this is my first studio monitor I've tried. I'm going to try. I've never tried any studio monitors before. So let's unpack the second one. Wow, amazing. Look at this beauty. It has like it's quite heavy, and this is the back of it. It looks very beautiful. And I'm going to put it here next to my drum kit and side. It will be on the side of my desktop. So these are active near field monitors with a 4-inch woofer and 1-inch silk dome tweeter, housed in a MDF wooden cabinet. Also, they've got a clean matte finish, rear base port, and compact size, perfect for studios or desktop setups. For connections, you've got balanced TRS inputs, RCA, a front aux input, and even a headphone out. This makes it flexible for audio interfaces, mixers, PCs, or just plugging in your phone. One nice touch is the dual sound modes. In monitor mode, you get a flat reference sound for editing or mixing. Switch to music mode, and the DSP boosts the bass and treble, giving a warmer and more exciting sound for casual listening. Inside, you get a Class T amplifier delivering 42 watts RMS total. The crossover and EQ are handled digitally with a Texas Instruments DSP chip, keeping distortion super low, about 0.2% TSG only. The frequency response runs from 60 Hz to 20 kHz, which is plenty for mixing and everyday listening, though it won't shake the room with its sub bass. So, who are these for? If you're into music production, video editing, podcasting, music mixing, or just want accurate listening experience for music and gaming, the MR4s give you a neutral, clean audio experience. If you like and prioritize bass, these are definitely not for you. These also doesn't have any kind of wireless connectivity, but for creators and for desktop setups, these are an amazing choice. The Edifier MR4 hits perfect middle ground, precise enough for mixing and enjoyable enough for everyday listening experiences. And the best part, it's priced right for beginners.
I've learned from my mistakes, and I'm trying to make it better. But I'm only human. Some days it's hard to move on, so I keep fighting every day. I don't blame myself for my mistakes. I'm only human.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe, and do let me know in the comments if you like me to compare these with some other studio monitors. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Hey guys, today we are checking out Edifier M4, a pair of compact studio monitors